Hello everyone and welcome to the Garden of AI. It is the introductory chapter. Today we're going to get started with the installation of Anaconda Navigator. Now Anaconda Navigator will enable us to run all of our programs on top of Jupyter Notebook. So this is the place where we're going to write all of our AI and machine learning, which we'll soon touch upon once we have completed with the deep learning. So let's get started with the installation. See you again. Hello everyone and welcome to phase 1 of the Garden of AI project that I am going to work on. In the phase 1 we are going to get started with Anaconda installation. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing, that is data science, machine learning applications, large scale data processing, predictive analysis, etc. that aims to simplify the package management and deployment. I provided you the link. Click here, and once you do so, you'll be on the landing page of the download section of the Anaconda. Here, the one in dark black is clicked. So make sure if you're using Windows, click on Windows. And then, as a suggestive measure, please download Python 3.7 version. If you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit computer, based on that, you're going to choose the package that you want. I'm going to click on the download button. Once you've done so, well, a bit of information regarding Anaconda. So it's a screenshot. The source has been given. How to install? These are the few steps. For people who are familiar with software installations, it's just a standard one. Here you can see that the space required is 3.1 GB. So make sure you have enough space in your computer. Choose the path and then register Anaconda as my default Python 3.7. That's what I would suggest you. Click on install. And now PyCharm, if you want to install, you can do it. Otherwise, you can skip it and just click on the next button. It will take some time, right? After successful installation, you will see the thanks for installing Anaconda dialog box. If you want to, on the checkbox, learn more about Anaconda Cloud, learn how to get started with Anaconda. It's your choice. You can do that. I've left it the way it was. Then finally, click on finish to complete the process. Now click on the start button and type in Anaconda Navigator. Let me show you in real time what it would look like. So that's the graphical user interface. Once we are done with that, we are going to move on to the phase 2. That is, let's code with TensorFlow. We'll be writing our first program. I'd like to give you a glimpse of what this software looks like. On the start, Anaconda Navigator. Usually I run it as an administrator. Enables me to install packages without any problem. And based on the RAM and the processing power of your computer or laptop, it does take a bit of time. So be patient. Soon the software is going to load up and I would show you a few minor glimpses of the things that are available with the software. Not yet. It hasn't been loaded yet. We'll wait for it. There you go. That's what it looks like. On the applications, if I click on the drop down menu, in the environments, the learning and community, I'll show you. In the environments, you can see there's one more environment called TensorFlow, which you will not have as of now. In phase 2, that is coding with TensorFlow, I will teach you how to install a new environment called TensorFlow. As well, please install Jupyter Notebook. Here you will be able to see the word install. Click on that. The next time you open it, it will be launch. Drop down menu, you won't have TensorFlow. We will install that for you in phase 2, that is coding with TensorFlow. Thank you for the time spent. See you again. You have a nice day. Bye.